What's up, YouTube? Check it out. I got a compressor as a gift. So you guys know what this means. New paint job. Whole bunch of paint jobs are coming actually with this thing now. Let's crack it open. Picked it up at Harbor Freight. Well, I didn't, but that's where they got it from, Harbor Freight. 26 gallons, oilless air compressor. 150 max PSI, 2 horsepower. Let's see what it looks like. So I haven't really made any videos or anything. I've been working and working and working. I got a new dog, a little pit bull. Check it out. She's right here. Suede. And that's pretty much what I've been up to. I mentioned that I wanted to do a paint job, but I didn't think I was gonna do it anytime soon. But now that I got this thing, this big ass compressor, I'm gonna have to. It feels like Christmas almost. Opening all this. So we got a box. I don't know what's in there. Let me crack it open real quick. We got wheels. Wheels for the compressor. So here it is. This is a pretty big compressor. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna probably start doing some stuff this weekend, and I'll take a video what's going on and let you guys know and let you guys see the process of, I guess, painting the Accord first, the CV7. That's pretty much it. See you guys on my next video next time. Hopefully this weekend. Later.